Welcome back to the Wheel Masters. The 2025 Subaru Levorg STI is here, and it's everything fans of performance wagons have been waiting for. Subaru has taken the already impressive Levorg and injected it with the legendary STI treatment, resulting in a car that's sharper, faster, and more thrilling than ever. Under the hood, the big news is the upgraded 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, now tuned to deliver a staggering 320 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This power boost ensures the Levorg STI isn't just practical, it's a true performance machine. Paired with Subaru's renowned symmetrical all-wheel drive system, the car offers incredible grip and precision, whether you're carving through corners or accelerating hard on a straightaway. The exterior of the 2025 Levorg STI has been given a more aggressive makeover, with a wider stance, a larger rear spoiler, and distinctive STI badging. The front grille is bolder, flanked by sharp LED headlights, while the rear features a sporty diffuser and quad exhaust tips. Subaru has also added exclusive 19-inch alloy wheels with high-performance tires, further enhancing the car's athletic presence. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and sportiness, with Recaro bucket seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with red stitching, and STI-branded accents throughout. The infotainment system has been upgraded to a larger touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. One of the most exciting updates for 2025 is the enhanced driving dynamics. Subaru has retuned the suspension for a firmer, more responsive ride, while the steering has been sharpened for better feedback. The Levorg STI also features an adaptive damping system, allowing drivers to switch between comfort and sport modes depending on the driving style. For those who love manual transmissions, there's good news. Subaru is offering a 6-speed manual option alongside the standard CVT, giving enthusiasts the engaging driving experience they crave. The brakes have also been upgraded, with larger Brembo calipers providing exceptional stopping power. Safety hasn't been overlooked, as the 2025 Levorg STI comes packed with Subaru's latest EyeSight driver assist technology. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and blind spot monitoring. Subaru has also added a new feature called Driver Focus Distraction Mitigation, which uses facial recognition to detect drowsiness or inattention and alerts the driver. Despite its performance focus, the Levorg STI remains a practical daily driver, with ample cargo space and a comfortable rear seat, making it perfect for families who want a bit of excitement in their lives. Pricing for the 2025 Subaru Levorg STI starts at around $45,000, positioning it as a compelling alternative to European performance wagons like the Audi RS4 Avant or Mercedes-AMG C63 Estate. Subaru has also announced a limited edition launch model with exclusive paint options and additional carbon fiber accents, though availability will be tight. Early reviews have praised the car's balance of power, handling, and practicality, with many calling it the best Levorg STI yet. If you're in the market for a high-performance wagon that stands out from the crowd, the 2025 Subaru Levorg STI should definitely be on your radar. The 2025 Levorg STI isn't just about raw power, it's also packed with tech features to enhance the driving experience. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing drivers to prioritize the information they care about most, while the head-up display keeps critical data in their line of sight. Subaru has also improved the sound system, offering an optional Harman Kardon premium audio setup for crystal-clear sound. On the performance side, the car now includes a launch control system for maximum acceleration off the line, as well as a sport-tuned exhaust that delivers a deeper, more aggressive note. For those who love to track the cars, Subaru is offering an optional performance package, which includes upgraded cooling systems, a limited slip differential, and track-ready tires. This package transforms the Levorg STI into an even more capable machine, perfect for weekend